Hi Mr. Lush, I want to show you how to start the scooter, and so this is the air command. You have to push it and maintain push, and so this is the accelerator, okay, the gas, okay, 2 speed, low and fast, and this is the command to put the engine on the wheel. Okay, so you have to ride with the pedal. Okay, so when you have a, a correct speed and maintain the air pushed, okay, you have to put this one, okay, down, and the engine, okay, it's too dark, but there is a wheel on a wheel, okay, so the engine touch the wheel and make it go. I hope this video can help you. Okay, sorry for my English.